Hi, this is Shay with Truxas Sales here today, taking a look at this hitch plate with 2-inch ball receiver on it. As you can see, we got the plate with the extra holes there, 2 inches up, 2 inches down for adjustability. That's standard. This is our standard 90,000 pound pintle hitch with air dampener. The air dampener is right there, 2-inch receiver right there, got the D-rings. And the glad hands on the side of the frame. And on this particular truck, we also have some reverse lights back there. Those are decently bright, probably about as bright as a headlight. 7-way there, and the license plate light, which is an LED light right there on the side. This is Shay with Truxas Sales. Thank you for viewing. Please visit our website at www.truxassales for more information. Thank you.